Number 11 is the square root of 12. So I want to find the largest perfect square that divides into 12. And that would be 4. So 4 times 3 would get you back to 12. So then the square root of 4 is 2. So my final answer is 2 times the square root of 3. Number 12 is the square root of negative 60. So I'm going to break this up into 3 radicals. The last radical is going to be square root of negative 1, and that will take care of the negative sign. I want to find the largest perfect square that divides into 60, and that's actually going to be 4. So square root of 4 times 15 would get you back to 60. So the square root of 4 is 2, and square root of negative 1 is I. So my final answer is 2 times the square root of 15 times I.